Hi, welcome back. I am Chapman from GadgetStripe.com. Oraimo has been one of the top brands when it comes to creating accessories for mobile phones such as charger, USB cable, earphones and all that. In this video, I'll be unboxing and I will give you my full review of a new product from Oraimo, and that is the Oraimo Necklace Earphone. But before we get to that, I would like you guys to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification, and don't forget to share the video to your friends. So guys, let's get started. Opening the box, we are welcome with the Oraimo Necklace Earphone. We'll be getting to that in a bit anyways. In the box, we also have the manual, the USB charging cable, and lastly we have the spare earbuds. This is nice because people like me having small hair can easily switch to smaller earbuds. So guys, that is all we've got in the Oraimo Necklace Earphone box. One of the things I enjoyed about using this necklace earphone is the fact that it stays firm into my hair no matter how much I move or shake. On the necklace, we have 3 different buttons. We have the volume rockers and also the call to do action button, which is used for making calls and starting or pausing music. The volume rocker can also be used to switch between music. The Bluetooth version on the necklace is 4.1, which makes it possible to go on 10-meter distance and still get connected. The anti-loss feature on the necklace makes the necklace vibrate whenever you exceed the 10-meter distance after it is connected. The battery on the necklace is 220 mAh lithium polymer battery type, which makes it last very long than you would ever imagine, and charging up doesn't take up to an hour. Talking about the sound quality, on the rate of 1 to 10, I will give it 7. The sound quality is not that good and it's not that bad. Oraimo is good at making earphones with nice sound quality, but I don't know why this comes like this. Anyways, there's a magnet on the earbuds which makes the earphones stick together and doesn't dangle around your chest. The price range for the necklace earphone at the moment of recording this video is just 7,000 naira, which is the equivalent of 19 USD. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in the next one.